Entrepreneurship in education, bridging the gap between classroom learning and real-world business challenges. Traditional classroom learning focuses mainly on theoretical knowledge and academic achievements. There is a growing need for entrepreneurship education in today's society, as it often lacks the practical application and real-world experience that is crucial for success in the business world. Conventional career paths are less stable, and students face an increasingly competitive job market. To succeed in this changing landscape, students must be equipped with critical thinking, problem-solving, creativity, and adaptability, all core components of entrepreneurship education. Furthermore, entrepreneurship education can also instill important values and mindsets in students, such as resilience, self-motivation, and risk-taking. By teaching these skills and values early through entrepreneurship education, we can better prepare students for the challenges and opportunities they will face in their future careers. There is a misconception that entrepreneurship education is only suitable for business or economic-related courses, which limits its reach and potential impact. Entrepreneurship education prepares students for the ever-changing job market and equips them with essential skills and mindsets.